I got the one, and I'm gonna get the other one. Hey guys, I'm just walking up on the bird I shot. Just from my window, there's a starling. There's two of them, as you can see. And second one I had to shoot up in the tree, but he flew off. Oh, here's a starling that I just got. Wherever I hit him, I got an instant kill on him. I aimed right for the side, so I really actually don't see anything. Could be right there at the neck. But subscribe, rate, and comment, and more hunting videos to come soon.